Let me show you how I'm using the freeze region effect to fix a glitch in my video in Camtasia. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I'm in Camtasia editing this project here, next video to go out next week, and there's a glitch happening on the footage. And it's already been filmed, and so I can't refilm this. I'm not going to refilm this just to fix this part right here. But you can see that, I'll play it for you in a second, but when I wave my hand up in this area, there's like this weird reflection thing that happens where it like duplicates my hand. It's weird, I've never seen it before. It's like it's a vortex or something, so let me play it.
Pros, you're gonna make more money, you're gonna grow in your business. Cons, you lose a bunch of money.
So you see that flash really quickly there? When I wave my hand up the next time there, this thing pops up here. And for whatever reason, it's showing up every time I raise my hand up there. So I'm actually going to fix this with the freeze region effect. And you might have seen it and you might not have ever used it, but let's say you have a glitch going on in your video, you can fix it with this. First thing you want to do is you want to clip out the part of the video that has that issue, the glitch going on. So this has already been clipped here, this section of the video. So I'm okay with that. I don't need to make it any smaller, but you do need like a clipping of the video. Then you want to go into the visual effects tab, and then you want to scroll down until you see freeze region. It's like part way through. You can see it's over here. Next, we want to drag this onto the clip with that area with the glitch. So I'm going to drag this on, and you can see like something weird happens. It's like, oh, okay, there's like a box, and then I'm duplicated. My arm's over there, but my arm's over here. What's going on? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the shape from a rectangle to an oval. I think it's more of like a softer shape. And then I'm just going to move this over to the area where this glitch is happening because I want to cover that area. Now I'm just going to move it here, and you can see it's kind of like already slightly gone. And I just want to size this until it is covered, and I'm just gonna like make it as small as possible, and I'm just gonna drag my cursor. You can see it's pretty much gone. Like if I click out of it and I'll play it again,
Grow in your business. Cons, you lose a bunch of money.
it's gone. Did you see that? It was like a magic trick. But it's still there. If I, turn freeze region off, my vortex hand there, I'm like connected to another world. It's still there, but I turn freeze region back on, boom. It is gone like it was never there. And it's quite seamless, right? Now in this case, it worked really well because that duplicate of me is far away from my hand, so I could easily cover it. If it was actually touching my hand, it would probably be difficult because, the shape would like commingle with my hand and stuff, but I'm lucky that the glitch is like, it's far away from my hand that I can easily cover it. And so that's it. Like that was a quick one. I just wanted to show that I had this glitch in my video and I quickly fixed it with the freeze region here. Whenever I create something new or I find something new, I create these tutorials for you guys to share what I'm doing and what I'm learning. Now, I just made this up. Like I was thinking, how am I going to cover that thing that's happening, that glitch that's happening for a split second in my video? And I was like, oh, maybe I should blur it, or if I duplicate it and then I, do a crop thing, and then I was like, no, and then I came to me, freeze region effect, let's try that out. Boom, it worked, and now here's this tutorial for you. So that's it, quick one for you. If you like these kinds of tutorials, I highly recommend taking my Camtasia course. It is 12 plus hours long, no commercials, no ads, nothing. You get lifetime access. I do update it every time there's a new version of Camtasia. If you are interested in my Camtasia course, head down to the description below as I will have the link for you. Hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.